The AUXITO 2x12 volts H7 LED headlight is a standout choice for drivers seeking both performance and reliability in auxiliary lighting. Designed with advanced 360 CSP technology, these bulbs deliver an impressive 20,000 lumens, which significantly enhances visibility on the road. This level of brightness is particularly beneficial for nighttime driving and in inclement weather conditions, allowing for clearer sightlines and safer navigation. One of the key features of the AUXITO bulb is its Canbus compatibility, ensuring a seamless installation process without triggering error notifications on modern vehicles, such as the Toyota Corolla, Honda, Hyundai, Ford, and Kia models. This means that users can replace their stock bulbs without the hassle of additional resistors or complex modifications, making it a user-friendly product for a wide range of vehicle owners.